Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make AI shorts for TikTok. So a link is mentioned in the description, so you simply need to click on that and come on to that website. And first step, you simply need to click on create, and here you can see create series, create single video, create long form video. So I want to create series, so you simply need to click on that and a series will be created. So here you can see that I already create a series. So this is the series page. You simply need to pick a destination, that which social media platform that you want to connect. You can connect TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. So once you connect it, here you can see choose the content type. You want to create random AI stories, scary stories, motivational, bedtime, so it is up to you. So you can explore that. You can select narration voice from here. You can select background music from here, and you can select language. So select aspect ratio, and here you can add overlay, and you can select the post schedule time and post days. So let's suppose I want to post every day, and then you simply need to add post schedule and click on update series, and automatically your videos will be created and post on that after you upgrade that. So this is the video that I created with the help of this tool, and it's amazing video. You can create a video first on that and you can see the quality as well, and you can change anything from here as well. So this is a process how you can make AI shorts for TikTok. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.